Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And it is March 3rd, Monday, March 3rd. And I am revealing my kit for our March 2025 challenge, and that is to use the color green on your layouts. We would love to see what you created, so all you need to do is snap a photograph and post it over at our Facebook group site called Mini Kit Monday Challenge Group, and we have 1,800 plus members. So come on over to that Facebook group site, especially if you're looking for inspiration. So let me show you my kit for our March 2025 challenge to use the color green on your layout. That's not the only color you can use. You can use all the colors or just a couple of different colors plus the color of green. So I'm going to show you my embellishments that I pre-selected, and then we'll move forward. So I have some enamel dots here that have a lot of different colors, and we have yellow, green, and 2 shades of pink. And of course I'm going to focus on the green, but I'm going to use some of the other colors as well. I have some puffy butterflies and hearts and little splatters and little dots here and a few little phrases, and it's the same thing on the opposite side. I have pretty little studios called Sunshine, and these are die cut labels, and of course, can you see there's green, but I can use other colors as well. Remember, I just need to use at least one green item on each of the layouts that I create in the month of March. I have pretty little Studio Sunshine die cut tags, and again, see the green? I also selected this designer sticker book from Simple Vintage Essential Color Palettes. And as you can tell on the front cover here, there is a sticker sheet of reds, pinks, yellows, greens, blues. I guess you'd call this a mint blue, and like an off black and purple. So I'm going to try to incorporate some stickers out of here. I also have this very, very old sticker book, and it's focused on Maggie Holmes style. And of course, the first thing I seen was this color green. So I'll sift through this and see what I can use on my layouts. I also picked these black paper die cut, and there's title phrases, there's tabs, there's tags, there's succulents, there's frames in here, and there's hearts, and I think there's stars and like snowflakes or asterisks in there, and so we'll see what I can use out of that. Then I have some Vicki Boutin die cuts here. So one is paper, and then the other one they call die cuts, and this is from her Bold and Bright collection. And it was over here. I'll just slide it in here. That's to help me remember the name of the collection. So I have these die cuts, so you can see they're stuffed full. So that will give me a nice variety. And then I pulled these die cuts, and they're dimensional. And I picked these up, I think, at the dollar store. And so I thought maybe I could use some of these on, or one of these on one of my layouts. And if you noticed, there's green in each one of these. So, yep, and even in the cake. So we have those. And now for some additional interest for my layouts, I selected these shimmer paints, and some are shimmers, some are inklings, and Yeah, these are Inklings. And they're all, 3 of them are all shades of green. And then I have a coral, because I think coral goes good with green along with black. Then for some splatters, I have Heidi Swapp Color Shine in black. And then I have medium gloss spray in Carnation by Ranger, and that's the Dana Weekly or Wakely line. And then also in her line, this rouge. So it's a pink, a darker pink and a lighter pink. And I selected Vicki Boutin modeling paste. And I also got out my small book of stencils. So these are ones that are like 6x6 size stencils. And I don't know which one I'm going to use. And I also picked out some washi tape. So let's bring these out. And I have them grouped out to possibly go with the 4 layouts that I am going to create. So we have this film strip washi tape and the one that says hello, hello, hello. And I have selected that to go together for one layout. Then I have this pink flower with some green succulents. And then I have a real thin green. I have selected this one with different arrows, and it has a blue and a green and then black to make that pop. And then I have this blue background washi tape with green succulent leaves going in different direction, and then a thin mustard yellow washi tape. So I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of what I have selected in my papers and my photographs, if you can tell through the envelope that I am storing them in. So here is my first one. So you can see I have pinks and green and a photograph with my granddaughter in green and my son in gray. We have another one here, and you can see some of the green I have selected. And then there's a photograph of my husband and myself. And of course, when I start documenting this memory, I'll tell you more about the story behind the photograph. And then here's another. And then I have this older picture of my mother and father-in-law and my husband and his 2 brothers and sister with his mom and dad, of course. And that is what I'm going to document for the month of March. And surprise, 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 I am going to come back with my first layout. All right, as promised, I am back with my first completed layout for the March 2025 challenge to use green. My pattern paper is from an older collection from Close to My Heart. And you can see there's green here, green here, green here, and then just pink here. The balloon is from a Vicki Boutin collection, the Bright and Bold and Bright. I'm sorry, the Bold and Bright collection. So this ephemera piece, this ephemera piece, and this ephemera piece. And you can tell I have green in this ephemera piece and in the number 2. The clear sticker came from the sticker book that I just showed you earlier from Maggie Holmes. It says today, along with Moments to Cherish. I used 3 of the washi tape. So we used the film strip, the hello, hello, and the green washi tape, and a little strip of the heart washi tape right under the word on. I used the green enamel dots in stars, enamel stars and hearts. I added black splatters using Heidi Swapp Color Shine in black, and I used the Inklings from Shimmers paint called Honeydew List. So we've got the green splattered in there, and I did ink the edges of the layered pattern papers here under the matted photograph in Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Black Soot. And I also matted the photograph in green cardstock, again from Close to My Heart. All right, this layout is complete. I can't wait to see what you create in the month of March using the color green. Don't forget to snap a photograph of your layout, upload it over in the March 2025 album. And also, you may be a lucky winner to receive a gift from one of the Mini Kit Monday ladies. We will pick a winner at the end of March, and we will send you a gift if you are selected. So come on and play along. Give a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be a subscriber. It's for free. Keep coming back, share my channel, and most of all, get out your scrappy supplies, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And we will see you next time. Bye.